Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change notification sound on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram and after that go to settings and after that go to notifications and sounds, and you can customize the sound of notification of every part of the app. So for example, you can customize the private chats notification sound. You have just to click on private chats and after that go and click on sound, and you can here choose any sound that you want from the app, or you can upload your own sound that you want to put for the messages. And the same you can do for group chats, you can do for channels also, but for the stories also you can do it here, and for the reactions also you can choose the sound. So you need to change the sound like option by option. When you change the sound in one option, it will not change in automatic way in other options. So that's why you need to go on them one by one and change it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.